Sit down on a chair and close your eyes. Bring your awareness into the body and feel the weight of your body on the chair. Let your body sink into the chair. I will instruct your body to release stress. You don't need to know where these things are or what these things are. Consciously, you may not know. Subconsciously, you know. Let yourself breathe naturally and release stress from your scalp and feel it drain out of you, out of the body, into the ground, into the earth, to be transformed into love and light, like grains of sand, energetic sand, drifting out of the body. Release stress from the 7 layers of the skin, leaving like energetic sand into the earth. Release stress from the brain, the 5 areas of the brain, the right hemisphere, the left hemisphere, the pineal, pituitary, the hippocampus. Dissolving energetic sand out of the body into the ground to be dissolved, to be transformed into love and light. Release stress from the eyeballs, the cranial nerve, the sinuses, the ears, the oral cavity, teeth, tongue, gums, jaw. Release the stress. Release the stress from the front of the neck, the sides of the neck, the back of the neck, from the tonsils, larynx, pharynx, trachea, thyroid, parathyroid. Release the stress. Feel it seep out of you into the ground, into the earth, to be transformed into love and light. Release the stress from the shoulders, the armpits, the arms, the elbows, the wrists, the hands, the fingers, the joints, the knuckles. Release the stress. Release the stress from the chest, the abdomen, the ribs, the diaphragm, into the earth. The upper back, middle back, lower back, into the earth. Release stress from the heart, from the liver and gallbladder, from the spleen and the pancreas, from the stomach, large intestine, small intestine, from the lungs, the adrenals, the kidneys, from the bladder, the bowels, colon, rectum, cervix, uterus, ovaries, testes. Release stress from the vertebrae. C1 to C7, release. T1 to T12, release. L1 to L5, release. Sacrum, coccyx, release. Release stress from the groin, hips, pelvis. From the thighs, the hamstrings, the knees, the calves, the shins, the ankles, the feet, the heels, the soles, the toes. Release stress from all of your joints and tendons and ligaments. From your veins, arteries, blood vessels, capillaries. Feel it all drain out of the body like grains of sand. Scan the body. And wherever there is tension left, instruct it to release. Release the stress. Release the stress from the integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular system, central nervous system, cardiovascular system, endocrine system, lymphatic system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, reproductive system, immune system, meridians. Now, you need to strengthen your aura. It is your first line of defense, which is just like an energetic bubble around your physical body, consisting of 7 subtle bodies. So, take a deep inhale in. And as you exhale, you're going to push that air out the front of the body, the back of the body, the sides of the body, the top of the body, and the bottom of the body. Feel that egg, that aura around your body. Take another deep inhale in. Exhale, push the air out at the front of the body, back of the body, sides, top, and bottom. And one more time, inhale deeply. Exhale, push the air out in all directions, front, back, sides, top, bottom. And just sit in your aura, in this bubble of protection. Notice the energy around you. And if you are living in a conflict area, or you are concerned about a conflict area, shrink that area, hold it between your palms. Inhale, exhale, run energy through that area. You can imagine a white light, a pink light, a golden light, a chromium light, an ultraviolet light. The intention is to infuse that area with peace. You can do it for 10 seconds, 1 minute, 20 minutes, it's up to you. You don't have to do it the same time every day, but please do it every day. We don't all have to do it the same time every day, but it is most effective if we do it every day.